What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. You know what? Actually, before I make the announcement, let's change the scenery. That is so much better. Welcome to Christmas week on this channel. We are going to be starting Christmas week on November 27th, which is the Friday. So it's literally the Friday after Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I've been loving Christmas music forever, and I'm so excited that a lot of you have asked for Christmas music. So we are going to be doing a ultimate Christmas week where we will be doing 2 videos a day, which is a tutorial and a play along every day for 7 freaking days. I am so excited. I am so excited. I don't know if Santa dances, but we're gonna do that. I'm out of breath because of that. Wow. So with that all being said, yes, we are doing a Christmas week on this channel. Again, starts November 27th. I'll actually be doing a couple collabs. Hint, hint, you guys probably know who they are. They're amazing. I'm not gonna tell you who they are. You're gonna have to wait to check it out, but I'm so excited for that to start. We're also gonna be doing a giveaways on my Instagram for the Leilani Kumu Ukulele giveaway, 12 Days of Christmas. So make sure to be following me on Instagram because I'm going to be resharing all that stuff. So 12 ukes in 12 days they're gonna give away. So make sure to follow myself on Instagram, also the Leilani Kumu account. I can't thank them enough. You guys know how much I love them on this channel. They've supported me basically my entire ukulele career. So make sure to show them some love. I'm so excited to give away some ukes. Yes, yes, yes. Also, a little side note that I guess isn't really related to holiday music or Christmas music. I'm actually having surgery this upcoming Wednesday. So technically today, when you're watching this, I am having surgery November 25th. Wednesday, I'm having surgery. I'm having a weight loss surgery. I'm actually going to be filming a lot of it and documenting a lot of my day-to-days on my second YouTube channel, which is like my vlog second channel. I'll link in the description below. Definitely go check those videos out. I started vlogging yesterday, so the first vlog is up and it's going to be leading up to surgery. And then I kind of just want to do more vloggy, other content stuff on that channel. So make sure to be following me on that as well. I'm so excited to get this done. Again, I don't know if you've watched my previous, like my weight loss video that I did, my struggles with my weight. You can definitely go check that out. I'll link a link up here somewhere. But I talked about how, you know, this is for me. I'm choosing it for myself. I know there's other ways to lose weight, but I am choosing to have this surgery. It's not a huge surgery, but it's also something that, you know, I'm a little bit nervous of. It's obviously a surgery, so, you know, there's a doctor and lights and needles and knives, but it's a surgery, so I'm ready for it. I'm excited for it. So I will be a little bit MIA for posting for a few days, but I've already edited a bunch of the Christmas content. So starting again November 27th, which is a Friday, the Christmas videos will come on a platter to you every day for 7 days, which is 14 videos. So I hope you like them. I hope you love them. And again, thank you so much for all the well wishes. You guys are the best. Absolutely love you guys. And the community that we built here is second to none. You guys are the best. I literally love you watching. I love you. And I hope somebody has told you that. And if they haven't told you that, I'm telling you that. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. We're about to hit 50 freaking thousand subscribers, which is also bananas. So thank you for all the support. I feel like I'm giving an Oscar speech or like a Grammy speech. Like, thank you to the Academy. No, but thank you to everybody that's watching and supports and subscribes and likes. And if you have joined today, today's your first day. Welcome to the best uke fam in the universe. I say this every single time. You are now a part of the greatest family in the world. We love you, we appreciate you, and we welcome you. And if you've been here a week ago, a year ago, since day one, thank you so much for all the support. I can't thank you enough for all of it. I'm gonna go because I feel like I've been talking way too much, and this dangly thing on the hat is very distracting. All right, anyways, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the Christmas content. I will be back basically ready to go starting the weekend. But obviously make sure to check the community tab on my YouTube page. If you don't know where it is, it's like right at the top. It says like videos, playlists, community tab. Make sure to check on that, because I'll be updating you guys on my surgery and everything else on the community tab. And also follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. I will be most active there. It's super easy just to share and give updates on there. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me there. I love you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys, and I will be back stronger and better and skinny. No, I'm just kidding. It takes a while. I won't be like automatically skinny. Can you imagine if I just come back to this channel and be like, Will, and then I'm like super skinny and just look completely different? No, I don't think it works that way. It'll take a few months or maybe like a year, but I'm excited for this new journey. Again, make sure to check out the vlog channel, and I'll be documenting my day-to-day life starting now. So thank you so much. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. I love you. I love you.